3 balloon, 4 balloon, 5 balloon, 6 balloon, 7 balloon, 8 balloon, 9 balloon, 10 balloon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's talk about Jesus. Once upon a time, a lady named Mary had a baby named Jesus. He was a little king sent to us by God. He healed people, talked the truth, and did many miracles. He went away for 3 days and grows again with all power in his hand because he loves you and me. The end.
Who am I?
Dog.
Let's see. Which one is my orange basketball?
Is it the yellow ducky? Is it the brown bear? Or is it the basketball?
I found the orange basketball. Thank you for helping me find my ball. Thank you for watching.
Hey there, little friends. Are you ready to have some fun? Let's get our bodies moving in the hot sunlight. Jump up high, reach for the sky. Jump up high, reach for the sky. Join the fun, it's a happy man. Join the fun, it's a happy man.
What's the name of the animal that wears a backpack and looks at the map? Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Name that food. Alrighty, kiddos, let's guess that food. Is it pumpkin pie, popcorn, or pepperoni pizza? If you guessed pepperoni pizza, you are correct. Way to go, boys and girls. You are so